Hey everybody, Scott here, Edwards Workshop. Hey, today I'm going to be bringing you guys a tool review. From Tacklife. I have two drills. I have the normal drill, and then I have the impact drill. I will give you the model numbers in the description below. So stick with me, and we're going to be reviewing these tools. Alrighty guys, just bear with me. The things I have to film aren't that great, so I'm holding the iPhone in my hand. But once again, this is a tool review for Tacklife, and it's two drills. So these are the boxes that they're sent in, which are pretty cool. Pretty durable boxes. They seem sturdy and everything. But yeah, so I got two of these drills. So the only difference between these drills is one is just a normal drill that has the 1 and 2 for the speeds, and then also the other one has the ability to actually hammer. So this one only has the drill portion of it, and this one has the ability to also hammer at the same time, impact at the same time as drilling. They are unpackaged, and starting right off, holding in your hand is pretty comfortable. It almost feels like porter cable, almost. You know, kind of the same feeling as porter cable, which is great. So here's the overview of this one. 18 volt. Tacklife. It has Tacklife on the side of it. Nice black and orange. See, this one has the hammer, screw, and drill, which is a pretty good function. And then this one is the just normal drill. And yeah, 18 volt. Once again, holding it in your hand feels like porter cable. Pretty comfortable. Also, it has the option to put the hook on the sides. Both of them have that, which the hook comes in the package that they send you. The package they send you is pretty cool. I mean, you have a flexible I don't know what to call it, but it's flexible, so you can get into tight areas. And then they send you a little bit kit. Now, I'll actually unwrap it right now for you guys. This is the little kit they send you. Like I said, this is, sorry my finger got in the way. So this is a little clip I mentioned. Goes on the side of the tool, like that. You just unscrew the screw and put it on. And here's the flexible drive. Here are all the little drill bits, the little bits, screwdriver bits that they send you, which is cool. This is Tacklife on the back. And then a little variety of drill bits, which I think is pretty cool. Also, what I thought was pretty cool is that I thought I was only going to be getting one charger. So come to find out, if you if you purchase a drill, you know, different drills, each drill comes with a charger. And that's what I want to believe, because both of them came with an individual charger. Only thing that I would like them to do, I mean, it's not real, I'm just being picky at this point, is this little blank area right here. If they could put Tacklife inside of it, you know, make it look a little more official than just a black box. But I mean, as long as you have something to charge your tool, hey, you're good to go. So here we go. Here's the test one, using the Tacklife hammer drill, screwdriver drill, and drill one, which is model number PCD04B. So here we go. This is just a piece of redwood right now. Oh, you heard the hammer, which I didn't need that, but hey, it works. So we're gonna put it on just normal drill. Seems like it goes through it pretty good, which is redwood. It's not really that hard. No problem at all. Makes a hole pretty good. So here's the next test. I'm gonna switch it to the hammer with a masonry bit on there, and we're gonna see how it does in cement. Now this cement isn't the toughest stuff, but nonetheless it's still cement. Wow, actually did really good. I mean, considering I don't really do too much cement stuff, but came out pretty good. Made the hole, nice hole there, all the way through. I'd say it's a pretty good product, you know, in drilling cement. Very good. So our next test is, this is actually some hard oak that I had laying around, and I was eventually going to turn it into pens, which I still can, but I'm going to do the test on it anyway. So I'm switching from the masonry bit to the normal drill bit, putting it back on drill setting. Go ahead and put it all the way up. We're gonna see how well it goes through oak. Let's go on the side. I want to get a good bite out of it. Not bad. Pretty much went all the way through this block of oak with no problems. I still have to run down the battery because that's what normally you do on these. You run the battery when you get them brand new. You run the battery all the way down so you get a nice good charge. And but yeah, there's that one. Now I'm going to be using the other drill driver, and this is model number PCD05B. So now it's in that same piece of oak, a little smaller. Well, went into it no problem. Left a nice clean hole. Not bad at all. And that's the smaller one. 18 volt. These batteries are pretty nice too. Oh, awesome feature. Has a battery indicator right there. You just push on it and it shows up how much battery life you have on it. You can see that. Put it back. Interchangeable, pretty good. Goes on and off pretty well. And to be honest, sorry I'm a little jiggly here. You're on my little tripod. To be honest with you guys, this is a little more comfortable than the Porta-Cable is. Porta-Cable is a little heftier, you know. This is also a hammer feature on this Porta-Cable, which should be the same weight as this. And yeah, I gotta tell you, this one's a little lighter than this one, which is kind of cool. I mean, if you're using it all the time. But yeah, good job, Tacklife. Another really cool thing that these drills have is that the bigger drill, with the one that actually hammers, which is the model number PCD04B from Tacklife, comes with a cool little light. Every single time you turn it on, it flashes. The same thing with model number PCD05B, which is the smaller one. This is just the drill. Comes with a smaller LED light, which is a cool feature. You know, if you're in a dark cabinet or a dark area somewhere, you can see what you're doing. So in all reality, I say it's a win-win for Tacklife. You know, they're affordable, and they seem to be coming up, you know, in the tool industry here pretty quick. But for my review and for what I do, I say that I'd be using a lot of Tacklife. Hey, once again, this is Scott Edwards, Edwards Workshop. Please, if you liked my video, please like it and subscribe. Once again, I will put all the information for this drill on the link below. Hey, thanks for watching, guys.